Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my makeup, but instead of picking my makeup by myself, my sister is going to do that for me. And I will just call her because of this whole social distancing thing. She can't be here because we don't live in the same household. So we will do this through phone. So, hi, finally you're here. Say hi. So, you know what we are going to do today. So you are going to pick my makeup. That's somehow weird because I hear myself in the background. But anyways, let's get started. So we will start with primer, and here are the primers. Do you see it? Can you see it?
Yeah, I take the purple one.
That?
A little bit down.
That?
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Eyeshadow. Okay, here I've got all the eyeshadow palettes.
Yeah, you can take the one which I gave you as a present. The
This
blue
one?
one, I think.
Okay.
No. Oh, the blue one.
This?
There is another blue one.
This?
No, there is another one. A little bit quiet. Yeah, the blue one. There's. Yeah.
This is the cover of the.
Okay, so for the first, you will take the. I don't know, in the last line, the second from the right.
This one? Which one? How is it called?
This one. Yeah. Where you have your finger. Yeah, this one. In the left corner. No, down. Yeah, this one.
And I think I will call you later because it will take a little while to put all this stuff on my face.
Don't complain later.
I will complain, I'm pretty sure, because I already know that the foundation is going to be too light for me. And I'm not allowed to use darkening drops, so I will look like a ghost, probably. But let's see. So, okay, so that's it for now. I will just do my makeup and then call you later looking like a ghost with blue eyeshadow on. A few pics are good, a few pics are horrible, so I don't know what to think about her decision. Okay, let's just do this whole thing. As always, I will start with my eyes. Oh my gosh. Okay, and I always prime my eyelids with concealer. And I normally use another concealer because this one is definitely not my favorite. It's the As the Skin Match Protect concealer. It's a little bit too drying for my skin, and I also can't blend it out very well with my concealer buffer brush, but I will just try my best, and I really need to use it up, so that's a good opportunity to do this. Still not my favorite concealer, but let's set the whole thing with powder, and here she picked the Rimmel Match Perfection powder. obviously a very good powder, but I prefer the Catrice translucent powder a little bit more, because I have the feeling that this one is a little bit more drying than the other one. I think that it's cool that it has a little puff inside, but it's pretty messy because all the product is now on the puff, how is it called? I don't know. So the blue eyeshadow palette, and she wanted me to use, okay, it was this color I think, Big Ben in my crease. So let's do this. Let me know in the comments if you have a brother or a sister, because I would love to know this. So I knew that she's going to pick this one, but I'm glad that I like this palette, so I can work with it. And now taking this one called T for my eyelid. This eyeshadow, this blue one, and the dark purpley lipstick really don't fit together. But okay, it was her decision. I really like these blue colors because they're beautiful and shimmery, but the problem is I think that blue eyeshadow on me doesn't look really good. Okay, I will leave it like this now, because if I would add a little bit more of this blue eyeshadow it would be way too dark. And use the eyeliner pen. It's the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner, and this was a very good pick because I love this eyeliner so much. So I've only lined my lash line because the eyeliner isn't extremely visible anyway, so yeah, there is no need to do a flick. Now let's move on to brows, and here I've got the Drugstore Wild Lash Boosting Volume Mascara. I haven't really used it before. This was part of my advent calendar, so I don't know how it works, if it works, and I think it's a German brand, but this was the last advent calendar that was online for sale 2 days before December, so I picked this one. Okay. It's not very good, so there is not much product all at once. I think for an everyday mascara it's okay. Don't know if you can see it, but I definitely have better mascaras. She has picked the Perfect and Mattifying Manhattan Concealer Primer. That's very good. I like it because it's a pore minimizing one, and I somehow forgot about this. So next, foundation. Okay, so now it starts getting very weird because I'm going to use the Astor Perfect Stay Foundation. It's a foundation that includes a primer and it has SPF 20 in it, so nothing wrong with this foundation. I really like it, but the problem is it's way too light. Wow, I really never had thought that this foundation would match my natural skin color. Never. That's insane. That's really, really, really insane. Let's do the next thing, and I would say let's do my eyebrows. Where are the things? So here I'm taking another Drugstore product, and I'm taking the darkest one. Just fill in my brows very, very quickly. Let's move on with concealer, and here I'm taking, of course, the same like before, and oh my gosh, I only have used it I think 3 times and there is nearly no product left. I will leave it like this, and of course I'm not going to highlight the rest of my face with this concealer because I'm already very pale, so no need to highlight it. The concealer is okay, it's definitely not a full coverage concealer, but I somehow still don't like it. No, I think this concealer and I are not going to be friends in this life. And I'm taking the same powder again to set everything in place. Let's just finish up the eyes, and for that I'm taking, I think only this light color here, and I just buff it underneath my lower lash line. I really don't like my eyeshadow at the moment, but it's okay because I'm going to wash it off afterwards. But now let's move on to bronzer, and here I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I love this bronzer, so I'm very glad that she has picked it. For blush I'm taking this Maybelline, how is it called? I don't know, Maybelline blush, and I really like this as my go-to everyday makeup blush because it's super natural. As you can see, it has a little bit of shimmer in it, but I'm pretty sure you can't see it on camera because it's so light. And now let's move on to highlighter. That she's picked the Better Than Platinum highlighting palette, and I'm taking this shade here. This highlight is so beautiful. And last but not least, and I think that's going to be the worst part of this whole makeup tutorial, the lips. And here I'm taking the Superstay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade 45. Don't get me wrong, I really like this color. I think it's beautiful for very natural makeup looks, but this color absolutely doesn't fit to a blue eyeshadow, so it's not going to look good. Okay, oh my god, the result looks so horrible. I really don't like it. Oh my gosh. But I've already expected it to be horrible, so that's not a big surprise. Hi, finally.
Hi.
So this is the result. It really doesn't look good. And
You know, it's not that bad as the first one.
yeah, because you have to know we've already filmed a video where she picked my makeup order, and she really didn't know which product was the first and the last one and in between. But I'm not sure if I'm going to upload it because it was a hot mess. It was a really hot mess. So I've used eyeliner as my primer or foundation, so you can guess how it looked like. Would you wear this makeup? Probably no.
No, but you do.
Yeah, I know. So guys, we really hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and of course, if you want to recreate this makeup look, this beautiful makeup look, then don't forget to tag me in your Instagram pictures. Just kidding, nobody's going to recreate this look because it looks horrible. But yeah, maybe
I will.
You can't even apply foundation on your face. So don't get me wrong, but I'm not sure if you can do this, and you don't have that much makeup, so you only have a mascara and you can apply your mascara on your lips or so. So, but that's everything for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and of course don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Say bye! Bye!